Hello and welcome to my first stationery haul. I may have gone a little bit overboard, but I have really wanted to try a Hobonichi Cousin for a long time, so I bought a few accessories to go with it. Okay, so the first thing I have here is the Bic Intensity fine liners. I picked these up at Walmart. I do like a nice fine liner, and so I decided that I would give these a try. They say that they won't bleed. Let's get a couple of posts, put it on that index card here. Let's try this out. Oops, that was terrible. Sorry, guys. That's smooth. I like that. That's great for note taking, I think. Oh, that'll be enjoyable to use. So that I got a 3-pack of them. So I'll probably keep a couple downstairs and a couple upstairs here. I like how thin they are. I like how bold they are too. They're very nice. Okay. The other one was a bit of a spontaneous buy is this candle. When I walked by it, it smelled amazing. And so I just had to take it home. Not a little cheapy. It was like maybe $3.79 or something like that. So it's a 2-in-1 Glade Vibrant Radiant Berries and Wild Raspberry, and it just smells amazing and it's so cute. Now this I picked up to initially I was hoping that it would come before the Hobonichi Cousin so I could try the paper out, but they basically came at the same time. So what I was thinking with these is there are a 3-pack of these super thin little notebooks, and I thought that I would maybe just use these for those extra little notes, grocery list things I want to take with me, and then this could go into my purse for those times where maybe I didn't want to take the planner with me. Just for those side little notes. So let's open this up. So this is the Almost Day Notebook Hobonichi 3-volume set Weeks. So I think Weeks is what they call this sizing. And it comes with the brown and orange, the blue and the green, and then the red and blue. And this beautiful paper. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Wow. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure how those are going to be implemented yet, other than probably just for additional notes. Now the other, this is basically Hobonichi and Midori. I wanted to compare the Midori. So I also picked up the Midori notebook in grid. This one is called, there we go, this is the A5 grid. It was $19.39 on Amazon.ca. So not exactly the cheapest notebook in the world, but I really did want to give it a go. So let's get in here. Oh my. Oh, it's a very interesting grid. Can you guys see this? It's got a really interesting little, like, almost like a U shape. So I'm going to use this for like a writing notebook because it feels like it should naturally lay flat. Oh, this is the cover here. Okay, a little kind of, Okay, so this one is the Midori. Here is the notebook cover. So I just got a cheapy little cover for it. I figured that way it would keep it nice a little bit longer. Oh, this feels really good. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really going to do a great job protecting that. And it's got a pen loop. That's excellent. It's a really good idea. I like this. Okay, nice. The main event is the Hobonichi 2021 Techno. I got the Cousin, so I got the full year because I wanted to have those daily pages as well as the monthly and weekly. So I got a Monday start. This one started in April, so I'm going to have a few extra pages that I can work with. I'm thinking that I will use those for making like the unused pages. I'll use those for like ideal week setup, and maybe for maybe test pages as well. And that way I can actually, and maybe a brief notes section for the daily pages that went unused. So let's open this up and take our first look at this. Now, what is this? Oh, this is their advertising booklet showing all their different kinds of product. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous, guys. Wow. Oh, that's a cover. Okay. Wow. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I may be adding to the to my purchase. So what do we have here? Oh, the corner's bent here. Well, it's gonna be in a cover, so that's okay. So I'll probably just cover up the 2020. These are 6 months in overview. That's interesting. I'm going to have the monthly section. This paper is so beautiful. So, and then we go into the weeklies. Okay, wow. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to probably use these unused sections, and I will just use those to, oh, isn't this great? And they've color-coded each month, so you can quickly just go to the section you need. Oh, that's fantastic. This is a quick little hourly in here. Oh, and then a tracker here, our tasks. Excellent, excellent. Oh, wow. Okay. Oops. Let's not just lose it. And that's going to take me all the way through to, how far do you go? Oh, we got personal notes and information in the back. What is this? I wonder what this is. Favorites. Oh, I love it. Timetable. Some note pages. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, wow. Okay. I think I'm going to enjoy that. Now, I did buy a cover for that. I did not buy a Hobonichi cover. I bought this guy here, which is says a Chris.W refillable A5 planner. PU leather cover notebook with pen holder, business cards, pockets, and page markers. And this is the almond blossom design. So let's get into that. Oh, came with a little notebook. Interesting. Well, bonus notebook there, guys. That's pretty cool. If I'm not mistaken, it looks like it may be in a grid design. A5. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, the cover is so soft, guys. I thought this was going to be like a vinyl or something. This is actually like a nice soft fabric. Oh, that's really beautiful. So it's got the, now if I'm not mistaken, I think when you put them in, you put the two pens together, and that way it holds it closed. Nice pockets. Oh, that's ideal. Some organizational space here, a little area back here. I could put that weekly one back into this one here. Oh, that'll be quite nice. Oh, that's beautiful. That's better than I expected. Now, I've also picked up some of the Zig Clean Dot markers. Now these guys were not cheap. On the Midori notebook, the cover, that was $12.99, which I think was, it's kind of one of those essential things, so I went for it. But, and this cover, this one was $29.99. Now these are the Amazon.ca, so if you're in the US and these ones are available, they'll be much better. much better price. Okay. Now the Techno, this guy was $54 US. I got that from Amazon.com. Now these guys are the Zig Clean Dot color dot markers. And I have been looking at these for so long and just dying to have them. So I'm going to reach in and I'm going to pull out my favorite color, turquoise. Now I saw in another review that these were amazing in the Hobonichi. So there was no bleed through whatsoever. So, oh, that's beautiful. That is a truly beautiful pen. That may just be my new favorite thing, guys. Oh, I'm gonna try the green. Oh, wow. Those are really beautiful. I am so glad I picked these up. These guys, I was thinking of getting into color coding, and I thought that I would start using, and I wanted something, I didn't want to go stickers. Even though I love stickers, I didn't want to go stickers because I was afraid that they would be, I would never be able to keep up with purchasing them. Usually you find something you like and then of course it disappears, right? So I wanted something that I could reach for whenever I needed it. I'm going to have to learn how to tap these, I think. So I end up with consistent dot size. Well, those are gorgeous, guys. I would highly recommend those if you can. They were $27.99 on Amazon.com. I mean, how beautiful is that? Okay, some of the other goodies I've picked up just for, let's go with, well, I popped into Michael's the other day and I grabbed this beautiful rose gold foil washi. Each one of them is 5 yards and the patterns are just stunning, and I don't even know, are you guys getting that metallic there? How beautiful is that? And then this little cutie I have been eyeballing for like, I don't know, good 6 months, and I couldn't resist leaving that little fox face there. He's so adorable. The little guys on the top, if you guys can see them. Little bunny and little raccoon. So cute. Now, something else I picked up from my writing, Messages from Your Animal Spirit Guides Oracle Cards. It's a 44 card deck. Comes with a little guidebook. Put those up there. Should stay put. And so the guidebook is just in black and white. It's got a nice little image of the card, and then description and basically ways you can look at the card and look at yourself when it comes up. So, and there's also associations, which I thought was kind of nice. I may use these for maybe character cards, maybe just to see, give us maybe a place to focus when writing during the live streams. I haven't decided quite yet. I think they're kind of cool and I like them. So, and the artwork on them is a bit different, so I quite like that. They're a good size card. They're a very solid card. I don't know what this, it's really, really solidly made. So they are quite lovely. One I don't necessarily like is the cat. It's just kind of got an odd nose. But I do like that it's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your overdependency on others. I think that's kind of cool. The chameleon's so cute. Stay in the background and adapt to the situation rather than being conspicuous and attempting to direct the course of events. So these are something I hope to include in my daily writing routine. This is a beauty, this one. Make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment or disapproval from others. It's just some days when we need to hear that. So this is the Scotch Expressions washi tape, and it is just, I just love the rose gold foil on that. So I grabbed that, and I also grabbed, I'm probably going to butcher the name on there, Sarasa. And these guys, they were in the, you could pick your colors individually. So I picked some of my favorites. They were $2.49 each. They're 0.5, and they are just beautiful, beautiful pens. They're a nice gel pen. Now some of these guys, they still have the things on them. So let's do that. Oh, that's a beautiful blue. Then we have a peachy tone here, and a turquoise, which is like my favorite color, as you guys know from the beginning of the video. Beautiful colors there. So I'm looking forward to using those. They came in, it'd be like at least a dozen colors there, so I just picked 4. That is not doing that justice. There you go. There we go. So that is everything that I purchased from Amazon.ca, Amazon.com. These guys were from Amazon.ca. They were like $25, so I do believe. So yeah, that's my stationery haul. I hope you enjoyed going through all those with me and seeing all these new beautiful toys I plan on enjoying my daily writing. I'll see you guys again soon with another video. I'm also on weekly Saturdays and Sundays for live streams, so come and join me there and let's get all the words. Have a great week, guys, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.